Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez-Barker. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Screencastify so that it dumps your videos into your Google Drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the extension icon and we're going to click on it, left click. The first time that you click on the icon, you will get this Screencastify setup screen. And in this one, it has step 1, sign in with Google. So this extension works with Google because it's in Google Chrome and it talks to your Google Drive. So I'm going to leave it turned on to automatically save videos to Google Drive. If you have a Chromebook, this is incredibly convenient because it'll automatically save straight into the cloud and you don't have to worry about using up space, losing your videos, maxing out your hard drive, slowing things down. So I'm going to hit sign in with Google and it wants me to physically sign in. So I'm going to select my account and I'm going to hit allow. And everything's being done in the background. I don't really need to do anything else. So step 1 is finished. Step 2 is to set permissions. Now, you need to give it permission to access your camera and your microphone. On individual recordings, you can turn those on or turn those off. So it doesn't have to have your camera taking a picture of you while you're doing it, but you need to turn those on just for your settings. You also need to set up drawing and annotation tools. This is important, especially for any kind of drawings that you might be doing, like for math or for science, or any kind of flow chart. It could be for engineering, could be for art. You could do plot diagrams, and you might need to draw. So you want to make sure that you have those drawing tools on, and then you're going to hit the next button. And here you're going to allow it to do what you just said. It's going to ask you for permission for your microphone and camera the same way it would for anything else. Okay, now step 2 is finished and step 3 is to introduce yourself. So as a teacher, you're going to choose educator. If you're not a teacher and you're watching this video on YouTube, you might be a student or a corporate user, etc. So right now I'm going to hit educator, and then it wants to know what education level. So grade school is K-12, and then college university is above. So for right now I'm going to choose grade school, and now I'm all done. So this screen that comes on right here, they automatically give you some tutorials that you can use. Okay, now of course it's a freemium, right? So you get some things for free and you get some things for premium. So I'm going to click on Go Unlimited just so you can see what your options are. So free is free, no matter what. You can record up to 5 minutes per video with all recording features included. So the only limitation is the length of the video. Now here's what you need to know. It's not recommended that you make any videos beyond 5 minutes because of attention span. So that 5-minute rule is actually beneficial because it will force you to think things through better and to do a part 1, a part 2, a part 3 with breaks in between. So you might think that that 5-minute rule is thumbs down, but it's not, it's thumbs up. So this is what you get. You can record your screen and use a webcam if you want your face to show. You can trim your videos, which is very useful in the editor, and then it will auto-save to Google Drive. I'm going to click on Show More Features. You can export them as these different file types. So it has full high-definition resolution. You do not have a watermark anymore. That's brand new. Screencastify used to have a watermark on there so that people knew that you were using the free version, and you've got your annotation tools, and then it has a super easy way to publish to YouTube.